time in Bath so far. We've been to more places than I think we thought we were going to in the whole trip. Tomorrow we're going to head to Bristol and check that out. There's a few things in Bristol that I want to have a look at. The St Nicholas Market, a few places down by the quays, looks really good. But for tonight we're going to head down to Koffmann's and Marco's and check it out, see if it's any good, and hopefully the food matches the reputation of the guys who have put their name on the restaurant. So I'll let you know as soon as we're back. So we've just returned from our 2-course meal at Koffmann and Mr White's restaurant here in the Abbey Hotel in Bath. Oh my god, what a place this is. Koffmann at the Berkeley was fantastic when it was in Knightsbridge. Unfortunately it closed a couple of years ago, but this place is probably the first that Pierre's opened since his time at Knightsbridge. So we were quite interested to see if the food was going to be along the same lines, and it's as good if not better than it was on our visit there, and the service are really friendly. It's definitely a good place to chill out and have a good meal. Good morning, it's the next day and we're going to head to Bristol today. We check out of the hotel just now, so we're going to head down for breakfast, eat, come back up to the room, then go back down again and check out. We've got a couple of things left to do in Bath, but we're just going to get the car, head over to Bristol and have a nice day, see what's about, and I'll see you there. So we're leaving Bath now, but I couldn't leave without that man's bread. Honestly, it feels like it's another country. It doesn't feel like it's in England, which is weird to say, but it's been an amazing trip. Really enjoyed it, and now we're off to Bristol. Top tip as well, Bath is terrible for parking. Like, car parks are unheard of here. Don't think the Romans quite got round to car parks. But we parked a bit further out of the city centre, found some free street parking. I'll leave the location in the description box below. So when you come to Bath, you don't have to pay loads of money for parking. Right, let's reach the top of this hill. Okay, so I was going to take my laptop to Bath and do like editing like I normally do, write up the articles. But I left it at home and I looked at my phone and the storage was full, and it was full of videos that I already had and I needed. So I could only vlog a tiny bit of Bristol, as in just like the footage. So I'll just give you a lowdown of what we did and what we got up to. So we used the park and ride system to get into Bristol city centre, and I definitely recommend doing this because parking in Bristol is expensive in places and there's not actually that many car parks in the very centre. Whereas the park and rides, they'll drop you right inside. You can spend as long as you want in the day there and then just catch the bus back. Really simple to do. So the main place we went to was a place called St Nicholas Market, and this is like a big kind of street food area. Bristol's quite famous for its street food. I never really realised this until we went, but it was fantastic. The food there, the variety of food was just crazy. It's the biggest I've seen outside of London.
I like it.
So there's so much to choose from, but we went for some Thai food to begin with. A Penang curry that had like pork in it. They said it was going to be spicy, but it wasn't really that spicy. But that was a good thing really, because the flavour of the curry itself was just amazing. The noodles we had were kind of like Singapore rice noodles. Amazing flavour again, and 100% we'd have that over and over again. It was so good. You've got to check it out when you go to Bristol. The place is called Niang's Thai Snacks, so definitely check that out when you go to St Nicholas. We stopped as well for some Indian street food, which was right next to the Thai street food stall. Again, like the quality of the food there was amazing. Loads of curries, but we were so full by this point, it was just ridiculous. So we got something called a pakora sandwich. I've never come across this before, and it was that weird that I thought I've just got to order it. So I went and ordered it. You can get like two, I think it was £2 for £6 or 1 for £3. And I was so full after the curry, I just went for the one. Amazing flavour. It was kind of weird though, because it was like a curry sandwich, but it works. If you come across it, try it. It's not unlike anything I've ever tried before. So the last port of call, we went for some liquid nitrogen ice cream. That sounds pretty weird, doesn't it? But it does work. There's like these big tanks behind the stall, and you've got, basically they just have the ice cream base and they put liquid nitrogen onto it to freeze it straight away. So you've got ice cream in like 10 seconds. And the ice cream's just top quality. The flavours are amazing. The price was good as well. I think it was only about £2.50 for like quite a big cup of it as well. So again, definitely check that out. It's a place called Brosen. It's right in the indoor area of St Nicholas Market, so definitely check that out. So that pretty much concludes our trip to the West Country and to Bath. I definitely recommend checking out Bath and Bristol. There's some great places in between as well. I'll definitely cover more of it. I've got to go back there anyway. There's so much more left to do. So I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel. The links in the description below are to the more detailed articles of what I've covered in this video. If you want to have a look at it, it's all on my website. Also, you can follow me as always on social media, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. All the links in the description box below, and I'll see you on the next video.